and safe travels.
Yeah, thank you.
And you're welcome. I'm gonna stroll back. I thought, I got out of the hospital like a week ago. I had an infection in my toe, and I just got over here on Monday. It's like a recuperative care place. I can stay there for a little while. And I thought it's flat. I'm gonna get out and like at least try and walk. I'm taking it very slow, but I wanted to get out and walk because I feel like I'm just not. I'm healing very slowly.